Hey!
Welcome to our guest house.
Come on in!
Hello, I'm Miles. I'm from England.
Hey, I'm Alex. I'm from Australia.
And we're two teachers that work at ECC. Okay, so this is the entrance. This is the front door where people would come in. We call this area the Genkan because it has the well-known area in which you take off your shoes before entering the house, which is a custom in Japan. Each person has their own shoe cabinet as well.
So this is the shared kitchen/dining room. So something really unique about this kitchen is the induction hob. A lot of the time in Japan you have kind of gas hobs, and I don't know about you guys, but a lot of the time I forget to turn the gas off. So I think this is really, really safe. The sink is also very big, and it's really easy for when you're washing the dishes. Garbage is also something that's taken me a while to get used to. We have one trash can for aluminium or cans, and we have another one just for burnable garbage.
So this is the utility area. We have our washing machine, our dryer, and our sink. Underneath the sink we have a cabinet which has a lot of cleaning products. We also have our ironing board, and clothes washing detergent. A lot of apartments actually don't have a dryer, they only have a washing machine. So having a dryer available all the time is really, really nice. So this is the shower room. It's separated into two rooms. So this room is, I guess, where you prepare. So you take your clothes off, hang them up here, hang your towel up, and then we have the actual shower room. Now they're separate, so the shower room acts like its own sort of wet room.
So this is the living room. It is another communal space. I like it a lot because it's really comfortable and homey. This is nice because it's sectioned off. It's its own room. So if you want some privacy, you can close the door, but it's also a communal space. So, you know, if you want to have fun with people, you just open the door and have fun together.
So this is the toilet. There's one on each floor, and there's a switch on the side that lets you heat up the seat for those cold winter days. Hello, welcome to my room. So when I first arrived here, I had the bed, the desk, and the fridge, and of course the air conditioning unit. This is my clothes rack. It's very important for us ECC teachers to have one at home because it keeps our shirts, jackets, and trousers nice and crinkle-free. So here I just have a little bit of storage going on. I got these storage containers from Daiso, which is a really well-known 100 yen store in Japan. On my desk we have a lot of snacks, mostly chocolate, gummies, and shrimp crackers as well, which is sitting at the back here. I have my laptop, which I brought from home. It's not really essential for the job, but it's very nice just to have in your own time. This is a nifty little bar that every room in this guest house comes with. It's basically for hanging things up to dry. It comes with a little pole that you can use to lower it or raise it.
Come on in, guys, welcome to my room. It's not overly spacious, but there is quite a lot of space in here. So over here I have my desk, which is where I like to study. Over here I have my bed. This was supplied by Interwell when we moved in. Bedding as well, for a little bit of an extra fee you can get bedding, so it was really convenient. One thing I was worried about was storage. When I got here I got this great clothes rack, but I was still worried about space. So I went to Nitori, which is like the Japanese IKEA, and I bought these handy containers that just slide under my bed. And yeah, I just fold my clothes, put them in there, and I've only got two now, but I think I'm going to get another one. There's about space for 3. Everyone has a fridge in their room. It is small, but still there's enough space to fit, you know, a large tub of ice cream or frozen pizzas, etc. And the fridge, which I don't have a lot of things in because I eat out a lot. In this area there are a lot of great restaurants to eat out at, and they're very cheap.
Thanks for joining us. We're off to work.
Come on, let's go, we're gonna be late!